Hello everyone, this is Raviraj here and we will discuss a very famous question of two sum problem, and that is the concept of array. And I'm just covering the array question, so it is also a basic question. So let's discuss what is the question saying. After that we will discuss the approach and then we will discuss the coding part. Okay, so the question is that given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so the question is saying that you have an array, okay, and there is a target value. You have to add two elements such that we will get the target value. Okay, we can understand from the example. Suppose here is example, it's given here nums equal to 2 7 11 15. Here the elements are 2 7 11 15 and the target is 9. Okay, so we have to add two elements such that we can get the value target. Okay, so what are those two elements and what are the position of that particular two element, we have to just return. And that you can see here, like, because 0 plus 1 it will give 9, then we will return 9 here, and the output is 0 comma 1. So we will discuss this question. If you want to understand what is it saying, let's discuss on the whiteboard. Okay, suppose we have an array. Okay, array which containing three elements. Okay, fine. One, two, three. Okay, so three elements are there and we have to return the value 5. Okay, so the target value is 5 here. So what are those two indices such that if you add those two indices we will get the value 5? So what can we see here? Like, if you add 3 plus 2, then it will return 5 value. Okay, so what is the position? 0, 1, 2. Okay, so we have to return 1 and 2 in the output. So I hope you have understand the problem. And what we can do here, we will use the naive approach. Naive approach is that, like, we will use only for loop, and after that we will just take the answer. Okay, so let's start the coding part, what we can do here. Okay, so first we will start with a for loop. I hope you understand it. For int I equal to 0, I smaller than nums dot length, length I plus plus. Okay, fine. Now we will start looping again. Why we are doing so, I will discuss all these things. Okay, so for int j equal to I plus 1, why I am using I plus 1 here, I will tell you, just wait. Okay, so j is smaller than nums 1 j plus plus. Okay, fine. So why I'm using I plus 1, j equal to I plus 1? Because suppose we are on the index 2, then we can't add 2 here, because you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, means. And one thing it's also mentioned here, like, and you may not use the same element twice, so we can't add the same element twice. It means we have to move forward, forward, forward. Okay, so we will add 2 plus 7, then it will return 9. Then so that I have used I plus 1. Okay, now what we can do here, we will just check a condition that if nums I plus j, if nums I plus j, nums I plus j, it will return, if it will give a value target, then what we can do here, we will just return the indices. Okay, so how can we return the indices in array, we will discuss here. Okay, so we will just put here return new int, and what we can do here, just return I comma j. Okay, so we have just returned the indices. If the target value is matching, then we will just return I comma j. And suppose we will run, then error will come. Let's see what is the error. So we'll just run it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, fine. So here it's an error is coming, that is missing return statement. Okay, so it's saying that suppose we will we are not getting the target value, then what we can return there, then we will just return null. Okay, so we will just return a null statement here, return null if the target value is not matching. So I hope it will be clear and we will get a better solution now. Fine. And when wait, I'm just so I think I've just done here, we will return a null here. return null. Fine. And let's run it. Fine. Which end of 5 parsing? Okay, fine. Okay, so show, let's check him. The error is coming now. We have to just return a return statement here, and the statement is right. Fine. So I hope it will run successfully. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I've just got the answer and it run very successfully. Okay, so this is the approach. I hope you understand. Apart from that, if you have any doubt, let's comment below, and if you want to join my telegram, just join there and let's discuss and let's go together. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care.